Okay friends, now let's move to the next question. The second question is determine total pressure and center of pressure of an isosceles triangular plate of base 4 meter and altitude 4 meter when it is immersed vertically in an oil of specific gravity 0.9. The base of plate coincides with the free surface of the oil. So in this question also we need to find out total pressure and center of pressure. And the surface is in the shape of an isosceles triangle. Now you all may be familiar with isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be similar in dimension as well as angle. So the two sides of the triangle will be similar. So the dimensions are base 4 meter and altitude 4 meter. Now the triangle is immersed vertically. Now one statement that needs attention is the base of the plate coincides with free surface of the oil. That is something that we need to give concentration. The base of plate coincides with free surface of the oil. So when you draw the figure like this is the free surface, and if you draw the figure like this, the condition will not be satisfied. The base of the plate coincides with the free surface. This is not the base, this is actually the apex. So base happens to be the bottom part. So the base, in order to the base to coincide with the free surface, the arrangement should not be like this. Arrangement should be rather like this. If this is the free surface, sorry, this is the free surface, same here, free surface. The arrangement should be like this. In this case, the base coincides with the free surface. So the figure should be like this, not like this. So the condition that base of plate coincides with the free surface is satisfied in this figure, the second in this figure. So let us draw that legibly, ripping off all unwanted things. Free surface, free surface. Now let's draw the triangle. Free surface. Now let us mark all the dimensions. This is 4 meters and this is also 4 meters. So we need to find out total pressure and center of pressure. We need to find out total pressure. Center of pressure is nothing but H star. Center of H star is not center of pressure. H star is a vertical distance from free surface to center of pressure. So even if you are asked to find out center of pressure, you need to find what they are asking is to find out H star, center of the location of center of pressure. That means H star. So let us write the equation for total pressure. Total pressure F equal to rho G A H bar. Now let us find out the rho. Specific gravity is given as 0.9. Specific gravity equal to 0.9, and from the basic equation of specific gravity we can write specific gravity of X is rho of X by rho of standard liquid. We take standard liquid as water. So rho of X will be equal to specific gravity of X times 1000. From this equation we can find out rho of the oil will be equal to 0.9 times 1000. So F equal to rho 0.9 times 1000 into 9.81. Now area of the figure. Now area of triangle is half BH, half into base equal to 4, altitude equal to 4 BH, and H bar. Now you all familiar with the center of gravity of a triangular section. It will be, center of gravity of a triangular section will be at 1/3 from base. This will be h by 3. The center of gravity of a triangular section is 1/3 from the base. So h bar is nothing but the vertical distance from free surface to center of gravity. Now for a triangular section, the center of gravity will be h by 3 from base. So h by 3 from base will be into 4 by 3. So friends, do remember, there is a triangle like this. The center of gravity will be at h by 3 from base. We have taken the same condition. This much will be here will be the center of gravity, so it will be h by 3 from base, and our h bar means vertical distance from free surface to center of gravity, so that it will become 4 by 3. Now the value of F will be equal to, let me take my calculator. Will be be 94.176 newtons. This will be total pressure. Now comes the center of pressure. Center of pressure. So let us find out that. H star equal to Ig by A H bar plus H bar. Now what is Ig for a triangular section? Ig equal for a triangular section equal to B H cube by 36. So when you have time, go through the engineering mechanics notes and by heart or try to remember all the Ig equations for various shapes like square, triangle, circular section, ring, etc. BH cube by 36, 4 into 4 cube by 36, that will be equal to 7.11 mm raised to m raised to 4, 7.11 m raised to 4. So we got all the values. Ig 7.11, A half BH, that means 4 4s are 16 by 2, 8, half into 4 into 4 into H bar, we got it as 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3. 7.11 divided by 8 into plus 1. T is equal to 1.99 meter. This is H star. So don't finish here, please write it specifically. So the center of pressure is at 1.99 meters from free surface. Write it like this. So it will create a good impression in the mind of the examiner or the evaluator. Okay.